Presenting a pre-owned 2007 Lexus GS350 Luxury. This four-door sedan has a six-cylinder, 3.5-liter V6 engine, with rear-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Lexus has less than 124,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 19 miles per gallon in the city, and 26 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include navigation package, XM satellite radio, navigation system, automatic climate control, anti-lock brakes, cruise control, power steering, keyless entry, universal remote, MoonRoof, leather seats, power door locks, stability control, traction control, Bluetooth, and power windows.